Hello and welcome to my website. We're looking at the TAC model TF-691BRD. The knife is 7 3/4 inches overall while open. The handle is 4.5 inches. And the blade is 3 1/4 inch stainless steel blade with serrations, half serrations. It is a sprain assist. The handle is aluminum with red liners, as you can see there. It has some little flames on the handle. They're black though, so you can't really see them. It has a pocket clip, no window breaker. Let's see, pretty quick opening. Does have flames on the blade, and it is a liner locking system. Really fast. Anyway, that about does it. I appreciate you visiting my website and hope to see you again. Thank you.